Hi students, welcome back. This week's lesson will be over the months of the year. And if you remember, I want to say 2 weeks ago we had a lesson over the days of the week. And now we are going to go over the months of the year. There are 12 months in a year, and it's important to remember that no matter where they are in a sentence or a paragraph, that they need to be capitalized. So the first month of the year is January. This is January, the first month of the year. In January, I like to build snowmans. February. This is the month of February, and this is the second month of the year. In February, I like to celebrate Valentine's Day. March. This is March, the third month of the year. In March, I like to look at rainbows. April. This is April, the fourth month of the year. In April, I like to jump in muddy puddles. May. This is the month of May. It is the fifth month of the year. In May, I like to look for beautiful flowers. June. This is the month of June, and it is the sixth month of the year. In June, I like to go swimming. July. This is the month of July. It is the seventh month of the year. In July, I like to swim with friends. August. This is August. It is the eighth month of the year. In August, it is time for back to school. September. This is September. It is the ninth month of the year. In the month of September, I like to celebrate my birthday. October. This is the month of October. It is the 10th month of the year. In October, I like to celebrate Halloween. November. This is November. It is the 11th month of the year. In November, I like to eat turkey on Thanksgiving Day. December. This is December. It is the 12th month of the year. In December, I like to celebrate Christmas. So these are the 12 months of the year, and remember that they are always to be capitalized throughout any sentence or paragraph, and that they are important, and this is the order that they go in. And I hope to see you all back next week. Thanks.